In JON FLOWITH and Partners versus Greaves and others, the High Court determined costs liability following a strikeout application. The claimant had lost an application by the third defendant to strike out claims unless amended particulars were served. The first and second defendants sought their costs of the application from the claimant, who contended for no order. The court ordered the claimant to pay the first and second defendants' costs from the date of receiving the claimant's skeleton argument onwards, but reserved the first and second defendants' earlier costs to the final trial. The court found the first and second defendants had a separate interest requiring representation under Bolton MDC versus Secretary of State for the Environment, as they had competing contentions with the third defendant on contractual construction, and the claimant's case evolved to implicate them, with unpleaded allegations. The first and second defendants' counsel added value without duplicating the third defendant's submissions. The temporal division reflected that the first and second defendants initially opposed aspects of the third defendant's application, before supporting it after the claimant's skeleton revealed the full scope of the claimant's developing case. The judgment demonstrates how costs of separately interested defendants may be apportioned by reference to their changing stance during applications. Quote, "I turn against that backdrop to the first and second defendants' role in the application. The first and second defendants stated in their short skeleton that the application was primarily a matter between the claimant and the third defendant. The first and second defendants did, however, resist any suggestion that the court should reach a determination at the hearing on the construction of Clause 3.1e as part of the application, contending that this should only be ruled on at trial, after hearing live evidence and reading the contemporaneous documents. Therefore, the first and second defendants were seeking to protect themselves against the outcome of the third defendant's application, not resisting the claimant's position on the application."
For a detailed summary of this decision, visit tmclegal.co.uk.